Hi, everybody. Today, I thought I can talk about goal setting, which is very, very essential for everybody's life. So, have you thought about what you want to be doing in 5 years' time? So, let us start with a small period of time and see how goal setting is going to help you reach that goal. So, let me share you a PPT. Okay. So now I asked you a question. Have you thought about what you will be doing in the next 5 years' time? So are you clear about what your main objective at work is at the moment? And do you want or do you know what you want to have achieved by the end of today? So let us start with the small thing. And if you want to succeed, you need to set goals. That is what I strongly believe, and I have succeeded by doing so. And without goals, you lack focus and direction. That is what I feel and have experienced. And goal setting not only allows you to take control of your life's direction, but it also provides you a benchmark for determining whether you're actually succeeding or not. So this is what is the ultimate meaning of why we should set goals. And think about it. Having $1 million in the bank is only proof of success if one of your goals is to amass riches. If your goal is to practice acts of charity, then keeping the money for yourself is suddenly contrary to how you would define success. So to accomplish your goals, however, you need to know how to set them. You can't simply say, I want, and I expect it to happen, because goal setting is a process that starts with careful consideration of what you want to achieve and what ends with a lot of hard work to actually do it. So in between, there are some very well-defined steps that transcend the specifics of each goal. Knowing these steps will allow you to formulate goals that you can accomplish. And now, this is only the beginning of this topic, goal setting. So in this, we understand that we have to set goals. In the coming sessions, I will tell you the steps to fix goals. And I think I can see you shortly. Stay blessed.